How to bring a back button on your Android phone if you're missing your back button in your Android phone. So how you can enable in this video I will tell you. Okay, how you can three navigation bar buttons. Okay, let's start it. First you have to just open your mobile settings. Okay, after opening the mobile settings, please like this video. If you new on my channel, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so now you can find here, just you have to just scroll up, and now you have to just find here display options. Click on the display options. Okay, after clicking on the display options, now you can find here, scroll down and just find here have the here easy mode. You can see easy mode. Click on easy mode, and so find here easy mode. You can see easy mode how. Okay, so just scroll up once again. Okay, now here scroll up and just find here navigation bar. Okay, so after click on the navigations bar, so now you can see here swipe is enable it. So you have to just click on the buttons options. You can find the buttons. When you click on the buttons, so now you can see here will be added your buttons. Okay, so this is very easy steps you can do in your right phone. Which Android phone are you using right now? Tell me in the comment box. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel Gen 1 Guides.